my name is Lauren and welcome back to my channel. Since it's October, we have to make a recipe with pumpkin. That's just a rule about Octobers. And I love pumpkin, so I am really excited about this week's recipe because it was my birthday recently. I have been indulging a lot, so we are going to make one of my healthier, lighter recipes. This one has, I was going to say it has no refined sugar, but then I decided to add chocolate chips to it, so that's a lie. It also has dairy and it also has gluten. But we are using Greek yogurt in this recipe, which is going to replace our fat, so there's no oil and there's no butter. Let's just talk about our ingredients. We have 1/2 cup of pure maple syrup, the real kind, not the fake kind. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 6 ounces of Greek yogurt, 2 eggs at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. I actually made this myself. It's a combination of cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, ginger. You can Google it. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. I like to use dark chocolate, but you can use your favorite kind. Today, we are doing something fun and that we've never done on this channel. We are going to make our own oat flour using these old-fashioned oats. I have my food processor here. All you do is add your oats to a food processor and pulse it a few times until it becomes a powder. We're not going for super fine here. It's okay if our oats are still a little bit chunky. It adds a nice texture to the muffins, actually. So we've got some finer bits, we've got some chunkier bits. We are also going to continue using our food processor to combine all our dry ingredients. Alton Brown actually says this is how we should do all of our baking, but pulling out the food processor is just so much trouble, and you know how I like to keep things simple. So let's add in our all-purpose flour and our baking soda, salt, and pumpkin pie spice. So we're just going to process the dry ingredients until they're all combined. That's it. Takes about 2 seconds. Hi, buds. What you looking for? Now, in our bowl, we are going to combine our pumpkin puree. What a lovely plop noise that was. Our Greek yogurt. Let's add our eggs. I'm gonna use my whisk. Make sure those eggs are beaten up. Break those yolks. We're not even using our mixer since we used the food processor today. Didn't want to have too many appliances running around. Let's now add our maple syrup and our vanilla extract. Now add your dry ingredients. And now fold in your chocolate chips. Could you omit the chocolate chips? Yes, I guess you could. It would make these healthier, but less fun. We're almost done. I love how quick and easy this recipe comes together. I have my muffin tin. It's already lined with cupcake liners. I have my scoop, my big scoop, my favorite scoop. It's perfect for muffins. It's perfect for giant cookies. I love it. I use it for everything. I already have the oven preheated to 375 degrees, and we are going to bake these for about 15 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Don't these look fantastic? They smell so good. They are still warm from the oven. They smell like pumpkin spice. That's everything that screams fall to me, and I love them. I cannot wait to bite into it. Oh. Yes, and I bit right into a chocolate chip. What else can I say about them besides they're delicious and they're a perfect treat for fall, and they feel like a treat. They taste like a treat. They don't taste like healthy baking that's sweetened with maple syrup. And because I used just 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, it's not that many. They're also super filling because we used oats, and they also have protein because we used Greek yogurt. I love them. You'll love them. You should make them. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this week. We made these amazing Greek yogurt pumpkin muffins. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends. Go check out those links below. There's a link to the written recipe as well as other fun stuff like my social media and my Patreon page. And happy fall. Have a great weekend and I will see you next week. Bye.